Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for You. What if the pain you keep every day is not love?
Then what is it? Because pain is all I have now. My husband died 6 weeks ago. He took his own life. We were married for only 3 months. 3 months. That is all we got. Some mornings I forget for 2 seconds. Then I see his jacket near the chair, and my chest feels heavy again. I cannot clean the house. I cannot throw away his toothbrush. His phone charger is still next to the bed. I still cook too much rice. I still wait for the front door to open. Every night I play his last voice message. Again, again, again. I do not sleep well anymore. I stopped meeting my friends. I stopped answering calls. Last week my mother held my hand and cried, but I felt nothing. Sometimes I look outside and feel angry. People are laughing. Couples are walking together. Someone is buying flowers. Someone is planning a trip. I want to scream at all of them. My world ended. Why is everyone still smiling? And the worst part is this. I think this is my fault.
Why?
Because I was sleeping. Because I did not see his pain. Because maybe love should have saved him. Maybe a better wife could have stopped him.
And now you punish yourself every day.
Yes, because maybe I deserve it.
No. Listen carefully. Your husband is gone, but your guilt stayed. And now your guilt is speaking for him.
That sounds cruel. I came here because I am drowning. I do not need cold words.
I know, but soft words cannot wake someone from deep pain. Truth must be clear. Let me ask you something. If you cry like this for 10 years, will he come back?
No.
If you stop eating and destroy your health, will he return?
No.
Then who is suffering now?
Me.
Yes, only you. Think about this. You believe your suffering proves your love.
Maybe. Maybe it does. If I laugh again, I feel guilty. If I enjoy food, I feel guilty. If I sleep peacefully, I feel guilty. A good wife should suffer longer.
Says who?
People, society, my own heart.
No. Your pain became a promise to never let him go.
Yes, exactly. If I heal too fast, it feels wrong. It feels like I am leaving him behind.
Look at your life now. Every night you open the same voice message. Every morning you replay the same thoughts. What if I stayed awake? What if I noticed something? What if I said different words? Again, again, again. You are trying to open one closed night, but life does not open that way.
Then what should I do? Forget him?
No. Forgetting is not healing. Healing means you can remember someone without destroying yourself.
But I do not know how.
There was once a woman, long ago. Everything fell apart in her life. Her husband died suddenly. Then her children died too. All very close together. She blamed herself for all of it. She walked through the streets with no shoes, no direction, no peace, only guilt. People thought she was losing her mind.
I understand that feeling. Sometimes I feel close to that.
One day, an old teacher stopped her. He looked at her with calm eyes, and he said this, "None of this was your punishment. This is life." That moment changed her, not because the pain disappeared, but because she finally stopped fighting reality.
Fighting reality. That's what I'm doing.
Yes, a part of you still says, "This should not have happened." I should change the ending. I should go back.
Yes, every day.
But you cannot live inside one night forever. No human can survive there.
Then why does my mind keep going back?
Because the mind thinks pain keeps love alive.
Does it not?
No. Pain only keeps pain alive.
Then what keeps love alive?
Gratitude. Memory. The good moments you shared. The life you continue living.
That sounds beautiful, but it still feels impossible. And I'm scared. What if I try to heal and feel nothing? What if healing never comes?
Healing is not one big moment. It's many small moments. One deep breath. One good meal. One night of sleep. One honest smile. Slowly, the heart learns to live again.
But what if I slowly become okay again? Does that mean I did not love him enough?
No. Smiling again does not mean you stopped loving him. Sleeping peacefully does not mean you forgot him. Living your life does not erase your love. Real love does not ask you to suffer forever.
No one ever said that to me before.
Many people are afraid to say it because pain looks loyal. But pain is not love. Let me ask everyone watching this. What pain are you still holding because you think it proves your love? Tell me in the comments. I really want you to think about it tonight.
I think I understand something now. I thought my pain was protecting my love, but maybe my pain was only protecting my guilt.
Yes, that is an important difference. There's an old teaching. Do not perform sadness for other people. Heal for yourself.
Then what should I do tonight?
Very simple. Tonight, sit quietly for 5 minutes. Do not replay the last night. Do not ask what if. Do not punish yourself. Just say this: I loved you, and I will keep living.
I think I can try that.
Good. One small step is enough for today.
I still miss him.
You always will. Love does not disappear, but your suffering does not need to stay forever. Here's your soul sentence for today. Pain is not proof of love. If this video helped you, please subscribe and like the video. And if you want today's study PDF, you can check the membership below. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.